Oh, look at
Lambo.
Again?
Rigged. Rigged.
Congratulations.
that. Yeah, hashtag
Little
rig.
Lambo drive Zambo. Congratulations.
So I was coming home from the store and happened to see a little spot of chocolate on the ground. Happened to think to myself, oh, that's a nice looking bar of chocolate. Somebody must be upset that they didn't get their chocolate. Then it kept going, kept going. Then I started seeing more evidence. And then more evidence. And more evidence.